Hi you guys, this is your girl Nisi and I'm here with a quick video. There's nothing for me to do, so I am doing a hair glue, adhesive lace wig glue review. So I've been going through YouTube like crazy because of course you're on quarantine and there's nothing to do. So I've been trying to find different types of glue. I ordered another glue. I haven't heard anything back from them or anything about my glue, no shipping, no nothing. But I'm gonna give it a couple more days before I need my money back. But anywho, I came across a glue from a young lady. I'm gonna find her and I'm gonna tag her. And the video was hilarious. She did a bomb ass job on this glue review. So I was like, you know what the heck, I'm gonna buy it, whatever, nothing to do. So it's kind of hard finding the right lace wig adhesive, and everybody claims to have the best glue, but I'm not saying they don't have good glue. I'm just saying it don't work for everybody, I don't think. I've been buying glue and it just didn't work out for me. Maybe I need somebody else to do it, but I've been following step by step and it didn't work out. So my package came today. I haven't opened it yet, and it is from the Hair Factory. So yeah, my package came like this. So open it with you guys. First time seeing it. I ordered everything, and I ordered Instagloo. I'm guessing this is it. This is what I ordered. They had you could buy all three. I think it was like $72 or something like that or whatever, but this is it. I seen a young lady do this and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this because I work out and my head tends to sweat like crazy and I need something that's gonna hold. So it comes with the Instagloo removal, quick removal, no more alcohol, external use only. This is it. This is a 2-ounce bottle, and then I got the skin and scalp protection, improves adhesion. I probably fucked that up, but this is another 2-ounce bottle. It's the protector and the glue. The glue says waterproof, non-toxic chemicals, oily skin approved, sweat resistant. And this is the bottle. Blooper. This is the bottle. I haven't used it, don't know what it's like. I'm just going off another video and thinking that, hey, I want the same hole she got, she has. So yeah, I had to order the removal. I couldn't just order the glue because looking at her video, she was having a hard time and she put it in water and everything. So you definitely need the removal to remove it from your head. So yeah, in a little bit I'm gonna do my hair and your girl gonna try it out. I'm gonna put down look like some of my stuff been sprayed. I'm gonna put down my protector first, clean my edges and stuff, clean that, and then I'm gonna try this bad boy out. So I'll be back to let you guys know what I think about this glue. So I hope you guys come back. If you like the video, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. And again, yes, I decided to order Instagloo. So I'll be back with another video, you guys. So peace.